Hi. So, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
I'm exceptionally well. What about you? How are you?
I am also well. And from where are you? I just want to have an intro of yours.
Yes, definitely. So, my name is Meenakshi and I am from Punjab, specifically from district Jalandhar. Currently, I am homemaker and I am a proud mother of one daughter. These days, I am a spoken English teacher as well, and simultaneously, I am attending my own sessions with English Yari. So, my hobbies are learning new skills and expanding my knowledge. So, I am also learning from you. Thank you so much, dear.
Yeah.
So,
So,
what could you
no,
please introduce?
yeah, sure. My name is Arnav Sharma. I am 13 years old. I hail from Himachal Pradesh and I live in Haryana. And I want to become a zoologist when I grow up. My favorite
Wow,
subject is science.
wow, that's great. So, how's your English learning journey going on? Like you are particularly learning this language separately, or every day do you learn from your schoolmates or your parents?
I just learned from my schoolmates and teachers and from my parents, not any separately any classes or something else. But yeah, I also do conversation like I am doing with you.
Okay, so do you have your own YouTube channel as well?
Yes.
Wow, that's great. So, how it's going? How's your YouTube channels going on?
My YouTube channel is just around 1 or 2 weeks old, and it has 18 subscribers, not a lot, but yeah, I am trying to be consistent on it and uploading my videos on it every day. I am trying to upload it. I am not comfortable in that schedule as due to my school and my homework and all.
Wow. But I really appreciate you that at a so early age you have started your journey, right? As I come to me, I have been started my English learning journey 2 years back. And if I talk about my YouTube channel, it has been only 7 months so far. So I'm really appreciate and inspire you that you have started your learning journey and you speak very well. Great. So,
Thank you.
What motivated you to begin your English learning journey?
I got motivated from my aunt. She's also a YouTuber. She also do sessions and upload it on YouTube. She told me that if she could do this kind of thing at this age, so why cannot I?
Right, exactly. You should, high your spirit, right? If you have zeal to accomplish something in your life, you can definitely do. And I have seen many students, many children in this age, they speak very well like you, right? So if you have spark, that definitely I can see your spark and you're igniting your spark every day, right? And when you reached at a particular age, oh my god, how beautifully you will explain everything. That's great, dear.
Thank you.
Okay, so who you yes, yes, please.
No,
what
no, you
what,
can
what do
continue.
Okay, so as you told, like one of your aunts, she inspired you to start your English learning journey. So then have you asked your parents as well, and you directly started your
No,
YouTube
I
channel.
asked my parents.
Oh, wow. So what they said?
They said that yeah, you can surely start, but with that, ensure that your studies must not sacrifice.
Right, right, exactly. But it's fine. Like you have time on Sundays, right? So you can squeeze out some time for you, but you can't give, like you can't devote only for YouTube channel. Otherwise, it will affect on your studies, right?
Yes.
Definitely, but you can continue in meanwhile, and it will definitely pay you back. That's
Yeah.
great. Do you
So
want
I
to?
have a question. No, no,
Yes,
you can
yes.
continue.
No, no, I am. I was saying, if you have any question, please ask me.
Okay. So I have a question that how many subscribers do you have?
I have only 200 something, 250. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes. I am also a small YouTuber so far. Right. Everyone starts from zero and they become a brilliant in anything.
Yeah.
Right.
So how do you made your channel reach till this point?
Consistency, right? I am consistent. I guess there are many people, they have started their journey just 2 or 3 months back, but now they have good number of subscribers. It depends on your content as well. It depends on your luck, right? So luck and hard work both go hand in hand. So we
Yes.
should keep on our luck as well, because whatever happen for the best, right? So we should
So
enjoy.
okay. So what advice would you give to the co-learners?
In this, for this language, are you asking about?
Yeah.
Right. If I would like to give any advice, like the children, the students who are at your age, I will definitely, first of all, I would give you example of yours, right? Like if she or he can start her journey like this, why you people not, right? So I guess, you know, no matter how parents motivates you, how they compel you, until you do not have that zeal to start something. Like this time, you are here in front of me because of your spirit, right? Because of
Yes.
your passion and enthusiasm. So I
Yes.
guess anybody wants to start something in their life, they can learn from their peers as well, like you. Okay,
Thank you.
so it's a high time, it's a peak time that we should start, right?
Yes.
Otherwise, once the time has gone, it will never come back. So why we kill our time by gossiping and by going here and there, by playing throughout the day? Today is Sunday, so you can also, you could also play with your friend, but still you are here
Yeah.
and learning. Why? Because you are passionate towards this language, or you are
Yes.
utilizing your time wisely. So that's wonderful.
So I want to ask that where do you want to see your channel in next 5 years?
Oh my God. Okay. I would love if people will love listening to me, because I really want to impart my knowledge with others. Right. So if I am learning, for instance, I am attending my sessions with English Shari Tutor. I am learning. If someone subscribe to my channel, they can also learn, right?
Yeah.
So yes, it depends on person to person. If I have capability, if they will learn a lot from through my videos, so they might feel happy, after joining me. And so, but let's see how it will work, because I am not pressurizing myself more. Like it's going well, I am happy, that's enough.
Okay.
Yes.
So you can also ask some questions.
Okay. Okay, so what do you like to do in your free time?
My free time, I like to play football and badminton.
Okay, so how much time do you spend on this
Uh, in
activity?
s- in school days,
Yes, every day you spend, or only on Sundays you play badminton or other?
I play on Sundays only, maximum time. But yeah, I just play inside my house. I don't go outside to play during the week because of the of my homework and all works.
Okay. So, the same question which you asked me, if I ask you the same question, that what advice would you give to other students? Would they start their English learning journey? Would they do something in their life like you? So, what advice would you give them?
Okay, so I would give the advice that if they are starting a YouTube journey, they must be punctual on it. There should be a specific time on which they are uploading their videos every day or as they are comfortable in the schedule. They should make a schedule and be consistent. I would say this one.
Right, right. Consistency is only the key to get success, right?
Yeah.
So, do you feel shy while speaking in English at your school, or you easily speak?
I feel a little shy, but not like that. I don't speak.
Okay, means you try to speak.
Yes.
There is a little hesitation, but you can overcome it over time,
Yes.
right? But at least you try. Because most of them, or most of us, we are not able to speak, or we avoid speaking in front of public or others. But at least if you try, you should do the same.
So, I would ask a question about the climate. According to you, what would be the biggest reason behind the climate change?
Pollution, this is the biggest. There are some other reasons as well, but pollution is the most reason, because nowadays in every house we have at least three vehicle, right? Like if I have to go somewhere, obviously I will pick my vehicle and I go. So it is the main reason on today's era, that it is spreading, here and there, and we are becoming more and more, and we are having a lot of diseases, right?
Yeah.
So this is the biggest reason, but apart from that there are so many other reason as well, but this is the biggest reason. Like nowadays, I have heard somewhere there is a cancer in the ear as well. So how we can save ourselves, right? Like many people say you should eat this, you should eat that, you should avoid junk food. But to what extent we can save ourselves if there is a poison in the air as well, cancer in the air as well? So
Yeah.
there are many reason, because there are means the food is full of adulteration, you are not visible. Yes.
Yeah.
So the food is also full of adulteration. What we should eat nowadays, the fruit is not good for our health. Watermelon, melon. What should we eat?
Yes.
Yes.
So, can you tell me something interesting about your culture?
Yes, why not? If I talk about the food, so you should definitely enjoy having makki di roti, sarson da saag, which is the delicious and luscious food we have. And apart from that, like Punjabis always love dancing on the beat of dhol. So it's our biggest tradition. Like we enjoy Vaisakhi and Diwali, Dasara. These all festivals are famous, and everyone loves enjoying.
Yes.
Holi, which we celebrated recently. So there are many festivals. And one more thing here, people love taking blessings from older. They often touch the feet of their elders, and they often go, while taking blessings from their elders.
Yes.
So, yeah, many more things. Tell me about your culture, something.
Yeah, in my culture also, if I talk about food, so the thing which is the food item which is famous in Himachal, especially Siddu and Himachali Dham. And if I talk about dresses, Himachal have a vibrant and beautiful dresses like women's wear appearance and men's wear some woolen jackets and caps. And if I also talk about the nature there, nature is very beautiful. At every point in Himachal Pradesh, we can see a good view from the mountains.
Oh, wow. Wonderful. And when recently we were visited Anandpur Sahib. Have you heard about Anandpur Sahib?
Yeah, I have heard, but I have not been there.
Oh, okay. So we have been there recently, and I really enjoyed the mountains. It was giving me a sense of a gratification, and means I can't express what I felt by going over there, because after so long I enjoyed the beauty of mountain. It was serene, and I could enjoy the serenity of mountains. So I really enjoyed. Wonderful, like if you are amidst nature.
So,
Yes.
how many times have you been to Himachal Pradesh?
Mm, no, I have been. I haven't been there so far, dear.
Okay,
Yes.
yeah. So, let's end the conversation now.
Yes, definitely. And it was pleasure talking to you. I really enjoyed your conversation, and I really admire your parents who gave you this opportunity, and you have started your own YouTube channel. And I God bless you always, and keep the spirit
Thank
high,
you.
and be consistent in your journey.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, same. Your the conversation with you also was a very good and beautiful conversation.
Right. Thank you, dear. Have a great day ahead. Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Bye.